Hello, I'm meteorologist Ted Keller. Second storm chase update of the day. Where am I? Well, on the last update, I was in Springfield, Illinois. Now I'm in Galesburg, a nice little town. And it's right pretty much in the center of your screen, that black overcast dot with the 80/70. That's the temperature and the dew point. The dew point is one of the highest ones on the map. That tells me that the air convergence here is probably pretty good. The wind profile is not too bad. And the boundary is very clear. All you have to do is go north about a half hour, and in the Moline area the dew point is 51, the temperature is 56. So I found the boundary. That is not the issue here. Let's take a look at a couple of other things here as I'm on the mesoscale analysis page. We can look at the thermodynamic fields and see how unstable it is around these parts, and I think that should take, there it goes. So we're looking at 3000 Cape, and the boundary is very obvious. I'm right on the southern end of it. And we can also look at other things like, and this is kind of a cheat, but I look at it anyway, the significant tornado parameter, actually this one right here. So I'm in one of the maximum areas for sure, right here in Galesburg. And anything that happens in Iowa would drift my way, I think, in time. One of the things I am fighting against, though, with this is time, because the sun sets around here right about 7 o'clock. If I've got good backlighting, that won't be an issue right at 7. I have a little more time after that. If I don't have good backlighting, then it could be a problem. I'm just going to zoom in here. This is the satellite image for, this is from the College of DuPage visible satellite. And see all those cumulus clouds that are lining up and then have an abrupt stop to them? I'm right there. That's Galesburg. So the line is literally just north of me. There seems to be some convergence of air right there that I'm kind of banking on, and some of the models are showing that that is where a supercell or two may form. I also want you to notice that there's some billowing clouds out here. That actually is a severe thunderstorm warned, but it looks like it's heading into more stable air though there in northeast Illinois. So I still think I'm in a good spot. If we look at Pivotal Weather's HRRR site, this is the way it paints the picture for radar. There's Galesburg on the map there as it zooms in and it focuses. And that's at 7 o'clock sunset. So you see just northeast of me, there are two pretty obvious cells, and their updrafts are rotating. So if they're leaving those little gray snail trails, that's what those are. And so I might hear very soon, it's 4:30, 4:42 really, I might head north and slightly northeast, and then I'll daisy chain these or stair step them. In other words, that leading cell to the northeast, I'll try to grab that one first, and then kind of stair step my way southwest and catch any subsequent cell. Next update you see should have active thunderstorms on it.